everyone! So today I am going to be unboxing Pentagon's Genius. This is their 8th mini album, which is completely wild to me because I've been a fan of theirs since pre-debut, since Pentagon Maker. So to see how far they've come, and they've had like 2 comebacks since this one as well, just makes me so proud. I'm really proud of these boys, and yeah, let's begin with this unboxing. So this is actually one of my favorite Pentagon albums of all time. I just think it's beautiful. Here's the track listing. So there are 6 tracks on this mini album, and they are Shinto Buri, Shalala, which is the title track, Lost Paradise, which is hip hop units track, 그 순간 그대까지, Till, which is ballad units track, Alien, 봄눈, Spring Snow, Round 1 bonus track. So those are the 6 tracks that are on here, and for me, in my opinion, every single B-side on this track, including Round 1, could have been a title track. It's like, there's nothing I could add to this album that would make me love it more. It's basically my perfect album, and probably one of my favorite K-pop albums of all time. Like, to be perfectly honest, I just love it that much. I would say that my favorite track on here is Lost Paradise, because it's just that song, you know. It's so good. It's such a great B-side. One of my favorite B-sides from Pentagon. And I think that, yeah, Lost Paradise and 봄눈, or Spring Snow, are co-produced by Kino. And I have a soft spot for Kino's, everything that Kino produces. Like, I love Off-Road and Violet, which those are also 2 of my favorite Pentagon B-sides. So yeah, it's not surprising to me that, you know, I would gravitate towards Kino's, Kino produced songs. So yeah, let's start with this unboxing now. So if you open it like this, it's pretty cool. You got like a pop out of all of the boys here. Okay, and then first up there is a CD plate here, which is a member one, unit member one, as you can see. So we have Yenan, Yeowon, and Shinwon on this one. Just slips in here. And continuing on with my Road to Kingdom groups, clearly. No. Hui looking ethereal. Yeah. Okay, so I just want to talk about this a little. Yuto's styling this era is disappointing. I feel like K-pop in general has a tendency to be very culturally and racially insensitive, and obviously this extends past like K-pop and Korean culture, but it's pretty rampant in K-pop, and I remember there being some backlash about this when it happened, but Cube obviously never addressed it, and Pentagon wouldn't without Cube's approval, so like it's all the more disappointing. I do think that at least this year in particular, this is becoming more of an issue. Like, more people are bringing it up, and fans are holding their idols and companies accountable for you know, cultural appropriation, and I think that's a really good thing, like, because they should be. Like, I would love for idols to be more educated, idols and companies to be more educated on why, you know, doing black hairstyles like dreads or cornrows is just not on. So yeah, I really hope that they can learn, and it's an important conversation to have. Sorry, I've had feelings about this for a while because it keeps happening. And every time I just feel so disappointed. That is not safe. Shinran. I miss Yenon. This pink hair was such a good look for him. Okay, so this is round 1 lyrics, I believe. Which if you've seen the stages for round 1, brilliant. Or stage. I think they only did 1. But yeah. I love round 1 so much. Leon. He looks so soft. And the credits. Raise your head, you're a genius. That's cool. Like a mirror, because you're a genius. Yeah, that is it for the photo book for this. It does, of course, come with some extras, so I'll go through all of them right now. There is a special event thing. I don't think I can use this anyway, so that out of the way. We, of course, have a cube ad. Yeah, cube audition ad. Okay. And, okay, so for the postcard, I got this one of Hongsok's feet, I'm assuming. So it's because happiness depends upon ourselves by Aristotle. And then for the bookmark, I got this is Kino's one. So I will put both of these up for a trade or a sale. I actually used to collect Yoan, Yenan, and Kino, but I've kind of decided to cut my Pentagon collection, which makes me really sad, but I'm like, I need to kind of narrow things down a little. But yeah, if you're interested in trading or anything, please let me know. You can contact me on my Instagram, and I'll leave that in my description box below. So, okay, my thoughts. Pentagon are like the full package in an idol group. They can sing, dance, perform, They have stage presence, they produce their own stuff, most of their own stuff, and they're hilarious. And their biggest charm for me is just like how much fun they have on stage. They always seem to have like the time of their lives when they're on stage, and it's contagious. It really makes all their stages so much more enjoyable. What makes me sad is that they haven't had a number one. I know that a number one isn't like the be all end all, and I know there's so many groups that are amazing and don't have like a number one on a music show, but I know that it means so much to them, and it breaks my heart every time they have a comeback and they still haven't gotten one yet. So I really hope with their next comeback they will. Honestly, they should have gotten one for this and for Dr. Bebe. They should have gotten one for Shine, let's be real. But yeah, hopefully they will in their next one. This is the latest Pentagon album that I have. I still don't have Summer and The Black Hole yet, but I plan on getting them soon. I really liked The Black Hole in particular. Not as much as Genius, but I did like it a lot. So yeah, I will be doing some more Pentagon unboxings in the future for sure. Thank you so much for watching.